With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question is delta H less than delta U for the reaction is. So for the given reactions, we have to find out that for which reaction delta H is less than delta U. So delta H and delta U, they are related as delta H is equals to delta U plus delta ncert, where delta H is the enthalpy change, delta U is the internal energy change, delta Ng is change in number of moles, change in number of gaseous moles, R is gas constant and T is temperature. So this is how delta H is related to delta U. Now we have to find out for which reaction delta H will be less than delta U. So delta H will be less than delta U let's say they are at same temperature. If all reactions are done at same temperature, T value will be same, R is gas constant, that value is also same. So this depends upon that delta H will be greater than delta U or less than delta U. It depends on delta Ng. So when delta Ng is negative, then only the delta H will be less than delta U, because if this term is negative, then this will be subtracted from delta U and delta H will decrease. So when delta Ng is negative, then delta H is less than 0. So now if we see for first reaction, that is for N2 plus 3H2 giving 2NH3. Now if we find this for delta Ng, that is number of gaseous moles of product minus number of gaseous moles of reactants. For product, the number of gaseous mole is 2 and for reactant it is 4. So it will be 2 minus 4, that is minus 2. So in this case, delta H will be delta U minus 2RT. So it will be, in this case, delta H will be less than delta U. In second case or in second option, this is Ag2O solid forming 2 Ag solid and half O2 gaseous. Now in this reaction only gaseous mole is present in product, so it will be half minus 0. So that is half. Now in this case delta Ng is positive, so delta H will be delta U plus half RT. It means for this case delta H will be greater than delta U. Now if we see for third option, that is CO gaseous plus half O2 gaseous giving CO2 gaseous. For this reaction, if we find delta Ng, that is change in number of gaseous moles, so for product this is 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1, it is 3 by 2. So it will be 1 minus 3 by 2, which is minus 1 by 2. It means if this is negative, so delta H will be less than U, because delta U will be now minus half RT. So in this case also delta H will be less than delta U. So for this reaction and for this reaction, now the last, that the D option is carbon solid plus oxygen gaseous forming CO2 gaseous. Now if we see for this reaction the delta Ng, that would be 1 minus 1, it means this is equals to 0. So for this reaction delta H will be equals to delta U, not less than delta U. So for the reactions in which delta H is less than U is A and C option, in which the reactant moles are more as compared to product moles, so that delta Ng comes negative and delta H will be less than 0. So A and C is the correct option for this question. I hope you understood the solution. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.